everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Umkhokha from the 8th to the 12th of May 2023 on Monday. Khulekani moves out of his house leaving a heartbroken mother. The church council comes to a decision regarding the vault key. Mamzobe hit another stumbling block in her quest against the Mtembus on Tuesday. Siphamandla is out and humbled by responsibility that is bestowed upon him while Khulekani faces an uncertain future. Mamzobe supports Maphalala's decision not to give Siphamandla the vault key on Wednesday. Siphamandla is manipulated into a grand gesture for Mabusi but doesn't receive the reaction he expected. Nomkhosi and Khulekani's wars worsen, putting a strain on their marriage. Nobuntu makes a big confession to Zodwa on Thursday. Siphamandla's marital issues are out in the public for all to see and mock. Nobuntu takes a drastic step into fixing her life. Khulekani's moment of victory leaves him with egg on his face on Friday. Mabusi's outburst come back to bite her. Khulekani learns freedom comes at a heavy price. Nompendulo faces Nomanzimande's wrath while the church women give up on Mabusi. Well guys, this is all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion.